Case study 2, now we're dipping into services. We had a restoration services company where we had 2 websites. And with this, before, our one account was producing $192,000 in revenue per month with a profit of $41K per month. So already decently profitable and everything. So what do? We try to diversify what we're doing into other accounts. We got a second account going. Here also, after 12 months, the revenue our original account was producing was $214K a month, which is a little higher than what we had originally, at a profit of $39K. So basically almost the same profit as before. However, the new account here, our revenue was $39K a month already at that point in time and a $14K a month profit. So 39 plus 14 is $53K in profit. That's about 20% higher than what we had before.